now we have a quarter of our cabbage or lettuce. Turning over to the side, again, we have our palm, L sign, grab, chef knife. Make sure you always get a knife that you like to work with, okay? Up, down. Have nice uniform cuts. This is nice and uniform here. So we want to take our pesto, about a tablespoon in the middle. It's real simple and easy. Just run it around. It gets a little circular design. And there's no wrong way about this at all. Use a little bit right here. A little yellow part of color. Okay, our onion, we have a yellow onion